Okay, so in my last video I did sending a basic message. One of the things that I haven't shown anyone, but you may have noticed, is when I open a message up, certain templates are already set up as favorites. They're set up in my Dropbox, or my bar at the top. So the way to do that is you come into message, go into set favorite templates, and you can list 4 of them. So I have the MCOM check-in, the ICS 214, the radiogram, and I don't have a 4th one. So I'm going to get rid of the radiogram, and I'm going to make it an ICS 213, or ICS 309 instead. So you click Browse, and it pulls up your templates. If you have your own, they'll be listed here. I may show you how to do that, but that's going to be something way down the line. So you click on the standard templates. You click on whichever one you want. Double click on the one you want, and it fills it in. If you want to add one, so I'm going to add local storm reports because we are expecting some severe weather in Iowa tomorrow. So I'm going to add the severe weather report. So you just put them in. You can have 4 of them. Pick the 4 most commonly used ones that you'll have. So for us, it would be the check-in, the 214. Typically, it's the local weather report, but I figured I'll do this one instead. So now when you go to do a message, here they are. So my next video, I will actually show you a template. I've done it in my longer videos, and I'll walk through it as a short video. And I will start from here.